welcome the HSC batch 2024 to RGS Oxford English YouTube channel. I do hope that you are very well by the grace of God. I'm also fine. Today I'm here for you, and I would like to offer you a short English course for you as you are HSC examining, and you are going to sit for the HSC exam after it perhaps. So let's go to our main point. You see here, first paper and second paper, total 21 English question items. And 21 English question items. Here you see first paper 9 items and second paper 12 items. Total 21 items. But how we'll cover within a short time these 21 items? You see here on the board, only 15 videos will finish your course. Only 15 videos will finish your course. And if you enjoy or watch the videos one after another properly, daily, and practice more and more, perhaps you will be able to cope with the exam and cope with the subject. It's very easy and very simple, I think. And perhaps you are thinking that it's very hard and very difficult and very tough for you. No, at all. It is not at all. It is very easy and very simple. If you follow, if you watch, if you enjoy the videos day after day or every day. Now let's go to our main point. You see, one of the items is completing sentence. One of the items is completing sentence. Very easy. And if you think that it's very difficult, no, don't worry. And don't be afraid of it. You see here the 10 sentences. You see here 10 sentences. These 10 sentences, if you memorize the sentences, and this will help you to complete the sentence.